Right then, guys. This is the part I normally dread, but let's face it, it's a final. They're all winners, so there's nothing to dread, is there? I just want to say that you were all incredible, and I can't believe the growth in you in 9 months. You are amazing. Well done, all. The judges have made the decision. Joey, would you like to say anything?
Of course, yes. So just before I do call out tonight's result, I just want to say on behalf of all the judges, and I'm sure everyone here, that this has been one hell of a journey. Katie, you're there on FaceTime to us. Hey. So this has been one hell of a journey for all of you. All three of you are exceptionally talented, and I don't think there's one person in the room that would disagree when I say this was tough. All right, because they are in there for an amazing standard. And we can only select one to represent, and that's what the hard thing was about it. But we have made that decision, and you know what? It doesn't even matter, because you're all amazing. You're all amazing. So, I will be calling out that decision, and when I do, Sam is going to talk to everyone there. She's going to hand the trophy to the picked winner. And then what she's going to do, we are going to speak to all of you individually. So we're going to speak to Katie and Ellie. We'll speak to all of you then separately, all right? Like that. All right, girls? Right, everyone ready for this? It has come to that moment where we are going to be selecting our new representative of the unders category of Town Search Cymru. 9 months of waiting, and we are finally here. Sam, you ready?
Ready.
And the new representative of Talent Search Cymru, the unders category, after all this time of waiting, is... Ellie Roberts! Well done, Ellie! Round of applause to you, sweetheart. Well done, girls. So what we're going to do now, we are firstly going to talk to all the girls. So can we come to Katie first? Everyone stay where you are, right? Up to Katie.
Do I hold the mic before?
Yeah, come on, talk to her.
Are you Katie?
So first of all, I'm sure we all want to say a few words to you. Kelly, do you want to say something to Katie quickly?
First of all, Kate, I just personally want to say I saw your performances earlier, babe, and your usual stardom self, and I thought you were incredible, and the growth has been amazing. So well done, babe. Congratulations, Kate.
I just want to say congratulations. You've been absolutely amazing. Just as a contestant, personality-wise, you've been so supportive to everybody. You've brought us amazing performances every single week, and you're like a welcome addition to the family now, you really are. And if you look back at the category you were in and how strong it was, and you're the last three standing, that's such a phenomenal achievement. And I'm just really, really proud of you.
Joey?
Yeah, no, seriously, Katie, I mean, even tonight, I think everyone can agree in the room, like, obviously, we watched the performances through video, but there were some really, really powerful notes in there, girl, and everyone was been like, whoa, where did that come from? Honestly, it's so sad that you couldn't be here with us tonight, but you have had an amazing journey, and I'm so, so proud of you, and I can't wait to see where we go from here, because I know this is literally just touching the surface of where you were going. You've got such a bright future, and I can't wait to be there right behind you, helping you and pushing you along the way. Keep up the good work, you're amazing, and I'm over the moon and so, so proud. Honestly, well done.
Thanks, Joe.
Katie now, yeah?
Right, let's hear it for Katie. Come on, guys, give her applause. Well done, babe.
Katie now.
Right then, Katie, first of all, I want to say that I think you're a little star. I think you're amazing, and like I said, I think you'll all be on telly one day, and when you are, just mention my name in proper name, right? Right then, Kelly.
Like I said to you outside, push it now. Get your voice around anything and everything that you can, because you're a force to be reckoned with, you really are. And you've gone from, like, a shy little girl singing Ocean Eyes to look at that performance that you pulled out the bag tonight. You really are first class, honest to God. And keep putting the lives up on Facebook because I do watch them and I love it. I love hearing you sing. I love hearing you grow. And I'm looking forward to when we have you back, you know, to guest perform for us and to show other contestants what it's about. Because you will be somebody that we say, that's us done. Honestly, so proud of you. Honestly, well done.
Thanks, Kel. Shall we?
Katie, there really is there is not much to say because it's quite simple. All three of you stood on that stage, you know, from the beginning of this journey where we had all them different applications, and you are the final three people standing on that stage for this category. And the standard you're all in. I mean, everyone around knows how strong all three of you are. So this is a ridiculous choice that we've had to make. It's extremely tough. And that goes to show how much all your standards are at. Every single one of you. Honestly, Katie, you just got to look at how far you've come, girl. It's very, very simple. Let me tell you now, all three of you were champions on that stage. All three of you. And you've all come so far. And I'm so pleased for all of you. I really am. I want you to keep doing this. Keep bringing that. Remember, not even 12 months ago, you didn't sing in public. And look where you're now. Right at the end of this process. You should be really, really proud of you. Because I'm proud of yourself. I'm really, really proud of you. And I know Mum, Dad, and all the family are blown away with how far you've come. And I really am. Honestly, Katie, in my heart right there, I'm so proud. So well done. Alright? Well done, girl.
Thanks, Joe. Let's do it for Katie, guys! Woo! Well done, babe. Oh, Ellie! Woohoo! How are you feeling? I bet. Honestly, you all deserve that, but well done. Amazing. Kelly.
I think you've been such a dark horse in this competition. You've just been so consistent and you've just grown so much. You're very, very elegant on the stage. That comes through your performance and your vocal. And you've had two fantastic performances tonight. It's a well-deserved. What's the title? Well-deserved title for you. And the first title which can be winner in the Enders category. Well done.
Thanks, Kel. Shall we?
I mean, in all honesty, I think you know yourself, Ellie, it could have been any one of you tonight. It really could have been, because this is an exceptional standard. But we did have to make a decision, and it was really, really hard. It wasn't easy, it was hard. But like I said, I think, for me personally, I think the title's gone to you, specifically on the uniqueness, that little bit of rawness in somebody so young. And again, we can't even put it down to how far you've come, because all of you girls have come so far. You've all had amazing journeys. But like I said, somebody had to have the title, and it could have been any one of you. So I'm proud of all of you. But Ellie, you were there standing there with the first title for the Unders category of Township Cymru. Honestly, again, like I've said to the girls, you should be so proud of yourself, because this has been one hell of a journey, and we've all waited so long. So honestly, thank you very much again, and congratulations. I just want to point it out there again, girls. Remember, all of you do have recording to come into the studio too. Of course, Katie and Katie, you both got a track and a video each when you're ready to do. And of course, you've got the album to do in your own time, right? So girls, well done. Thank you for making this season such a special season for the three of you, and how far you've come, because definitely the right three are at the end of this, and I'm proud of all of you, every single one of you. Round of applause for them all.